Another group we have to talk about that is in workspaces, corporate, government, whatever 9 to 5 space that we have to talk about is the fossils. You see, this old group, these elders that have been part of the furniture in office spaces for a long time, they are the most toxic people you can work with. They are the most conniving, most hateful and bashful people you can ever come across. It's not all of you, but there's majority of you. Guys, your parents are the most hateful people that young people come across. And they particularly hate on young people. Young potential scares them. Or just people who are vibrant in workspaces. And especially if they are younger than them. Either be it new interns or just somebody who is 10 years younger, 5 years younger than them. There's a lot of ageism in companies. But we are going to start with the women. Instead of these older women that are in office spaces that are seeing young girls coming and not selling their bodies and trying to build a life for themselves, these old women compete with these young girls. You find a young girl that is smart, that is beautiful, that knows how to dress well. It's worse when it is a senior female that it has to deal with this young girl with potential. They hate on them. They make their work life difficult. And you find even other colleagues, other women, older women that are in those spaces, they hate on these girls, bruh. We flip it to the other side. The older men, instead of encouraging a young, bright young boy or a young mid-30s or youthful person, they become their enemies. They plot against them. They discourage them in terms of growth. And worse when they're senior. And it becomes worse when this young man happens to be very handsome, dresses well, and gets the attention of the female colleagues. You are going to inherit a lot of beef just because you're a handsome young man who just walked into the office space and he's been having crushes on all of the women in the office and he's tried his luck, he's not winning. Listen, you're going to have a difficult time. They're going to hate on you. And then we extend this conversation to young people coming in and having to become seniors to these laggards, to these fossils that have been part of the furniture for a long time.